Have you ever controlled your partner knowing that you are doing it for your own gain? How did it feel? What was the outcome? Did they know? Do you intend to do it as long as you are bound by the fraud you call a relationship? Take a moment and reflect. Is this what you really want as long as you are still together? Emotional manipulation in a relationship involves subtle and sometimes overt tactics to control or influence a partner's feelings and actions for personal gain. This can erode trust and create toxic dynamics in any relationship that can drain even the most callous. If you regret it and want to start on a new slate, here are Stoic approaches to help you succeed. 1. Embrace integrity. In Stoicism, integrity is a core virtue. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, if it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Stoics believe in being truthful and transparent in all our dealings, avoiding any form of deceit. 2. Practice self-awareness. To avoid being manipulative, you must practice self-awareness. Recognize your own emotions and motivations. Ask yourself, are my actions and words aligned with my values? Am I respecting the autonomy of others? Relationships need respect and empathy, not manipulation. 3. Have empathy in your relationship. Like integrity, empathy plays a significant role in Stoicism. Epictetus teaches us to understand others' perspectives and to treat them with kindness. By putting ourselves in their shoes, we can ensure our actions are not manipulative, but compassionate. 4. Set healthy boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential to maintaining integrity in any relationship. Stoics believe in respecting others' autonomy while also safeguarding our own. Healthy boundaries prevent manipulation and ensure mutual respect. 5. Practice justice. Justice, another key Stoic virtue, reminds us to be fair and just in all our interactions. Avoid actions that exploit or harm others. Strive to build relationships based on fairness and mutual benefit. By adhering to these Stoic principles, we can cultivate relationships based on integrity and respect. Remember, true power lies not in controlling others, but in controlling ourselves. If you feel telling your partner that you've not been genuine in your dealings with him or her, and by telling them will only jeopardize your relationship even more, then don't do it personally. It will only hurt them more and will paint you as a dishonest person after you even reconcile. And the consequences, some of it no one wants to imagine. Find a trusted friend, and through them, let your partner know everything if you genuinely love him or her. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom.